there. Thanks for visiting ProWood Sheds. Today I want to show you how easy and fun it is to use our 3D Builder to get a free instant estimate. So let's click on that and we'll just have a quick tutorial on how to use this today. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to where it says Washington and click where you're from and then start building. Now we can get the pricing correct as we go. Choose style and you'll see that we have all these buildings to choose from. I will be doing a tutorial on each one of these buildings, but for now we're just going to start with the gable and show you the real basics and simply how simple it is to add and change things here. So let's just do things like add the last siding so you can see what it looks like. If you don't need it, take it away. It's that simple. Now go down here and you're going to see that we have all kinds of options to customize. And I'm going to put a roof extension with decking on here so that you can see how cute that is. You can do that on the front, you can do that on the back. The awning is referring to doing the same thing on the side here. It does not show when you add it in the picture. So don't be alarmed if that doesn't show. It shows the pricing. As we go, we're going to see the pricing here. So you're going to want to understand that some of the things when it says not shown, that's what it means. It's going to add the price for you, but it's not going to show in the picture. So let's go down here and make this exterior, this extension larger. I want to do a 6-foot one. Then I'm going to make my wall height taller. I'm doing that because I want to add a different type of door on the back and I have to have more space to do so. Then I'm going to scroll down here and I want you to click on the pre-constructed and delivered. That's going to allow us to show you the paint colors that we offer when we pre-construct the building. Now let's go to size. Size, as long as it's in a 200 square foot footprint, it's offered on here. We do larger buildings, but that's what's offered on here. So let's go here and choose what works best for you. And then we're going to go to the fun part, doors and windows. Look at that. Now I'm going to left click and drag my mouse around so that I can move that building right to the front, and I can see that I'm going to work on this wall because I have this white line around here. Then I'm going to click on this pencil. This door we offer is what comes standard with the shed. I'm going to click here and it's showing me all the different options we have. So I'm going to put a different kind of window, or excuse me, a different kind of door there. And then I'm going to close out of that. And now I'm going to add a window here. And when I add a window, it's going to give me this little one, little pencil, and it's going to show me all the windows we have to offer. Quite a few. You can go through all of these. It's really fun to just add them and see what they look like. So this is a 2x3, and I want one on the other side of my door. So instead of closing out and going back and forth, you can quickly clone this, and it's going to give you a window just like it. And that way you can get straight to moving it around right where you want it. Isn't that cool? That's how you do that. Now we can come around here, click on this wall, add a window, same way. We can do whatever we want with our little pencil here and just put a big giant window there, whatever we want to do. Then I'm going to come to the back. And here's what I was talking about. Make sure we've got that white outline. I'm going to add this roll-up door. And when I do that and get my little pencil here, it's going to show me that I have options to make larger doors. So I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit larger. And I'm also going to have the option then to add a ramp. So I can do that. I'm going to close out of here and see how cool. I really like that a lot. Now, if I change my mind and I decide I don't want it, I can just click back on it and remove it. That's how easy it is. Super simple. Then we're going to go down here. I want you to note that there are things that we offer that do not show up, just like that awning. For example, gutters. I'm going to click on that. It does not show it on the building, but it does reflect it in the pricing. So it'll be all in your estimate. Now let's come to colors. I'm going to scroll up a little bit and I'm going to pick a different color roof here. And then I'm going to choose a really beautiful color for the walls. And then I'm going to add my trim. I think this is really pretty with it. Isn't that pretty? Okay, then we're going to go down here. Let's choose flooring and interior. Important to note, if you want to spend much time in here, you want to insulate the floor before you get it on your property because it's going to be impossible to add that later. Again, we're seeing the price, but we're not seeing it on the floor. Then we're going to go right into interior. We do have loft options. We have the ability, I'm going to go over here on this wall, see how I've got this white outline here. On this wall, I'm going to add a workbench. Then I can take my pencil and make that workbench as long as I want it. Put it where I want to on the wall. Isn't that great? So fun. Okay. Now I'm going to go to your estimate and it's going to scroll down here and I'm going to show you every single thing that you decided you wanted on this building. And then you're going to go here, you're going to save design. It's going to ask you all your information. And then please let us know how you found us. Please also let us know what you want us to do next. We're going to want to get a hold of you and answer some questions or help you purchase the building. Or we're just going to let you sit on it and think about it. So you let me know what you want to do. And then press email link and I'll have a copy of that. And you can have one too to keep with your records. If you love the building and you just want to have it in a couple of weeks, click checkout and we will get you that building. Fill out this information. We're going to call you, ask you all kinds of questions, and make sure that everything is exactly where you want it before we bring it out to you. Well, I hope that showed you how simple it is to just play with this and it's not going to break and you can just do anything we want to this and take it away and put it back. I hope that really helps you to feel at ease using our 3D Builder. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for visiting ProWood Sheds and giving us your time today.